Oh, Jules, go to Lolo. Oh, ipahawak ko sa kanya yan.
Oh, hindi pa nga nakatali si Chi naman.
Bakit ako?
Nakatali. Oh, I have to tie it here.
Oh, okay.
But the locket there.
Yeah, Lolo is locking it.
Hindi nila,
Locket there.
they did not tie it here, so you're going to lose it. See? Oh. Oh.
And the locket there.
Where?
There.
You see? Mga gago sila eh. They don't know better.
Yeah, Lolo is locking it. It's tangled up.
Now it's tangled.
Under? Out.
Under.
Oh, there, Jules. I cannot even see the kite flying above.
Ooh, you're flying your kite.
Again, it's tangled. 3.
Dami ang mahirap ako ngayon, Sen.
Oop. Oo, nagtatag-twist around na.
How
Oh.
many? How
1.
many now?
Oh, there, up now. Telephone mo nagre-ring.
Hold it. May. Hi. Hello. We're flying the kite. Are you waiting for us? Yeah. Here's G. Okay. Here's G.
May, you know what? We are flying the kite. It's so nice. Yes, in the backyard. Can you come? Huh? Who is with you now? Who is with you now?
Where's the kite? I don't see.
Oh, you're doing your laundry.
Guys in the right.
Okay, okay.
Sino ito? Indok tumawag? Ha? Pero no, Jen. Pero. Pero. Yung all three yan, kung dikit-dikit.
Where's the other one?
Oh,
dikit-dikit.
Nagkapulupot na yata eh.
Malikot yung kay Alex eh. Malikot. Ikaw kay sino ganda?
Oh. Here. Go with Alex. Oh. Let go there and then up. Now that's it. Yeah. If it's diving, you let go until it points up. Mom is flying the other one there too. Naalis na ba yung tangle? Naalis ang tangle? Really? Natagal yung tangle na? Go to little grandma so I can take your picture. There, they're all up now. All of them are all up there.
Yeah, he's steady.
Oh, you're holding. Look at your kite. You're not looking at your kite. Oh. Come over here. Oh. Where's your kite? Where is your kite? Oh, let's go. What happened to the other one?
You lost it?
Nalagot? The string broke? The string broke?
You're just holding it.
Nasa neighbor lang yun. Don't let go. Hawakan mo, Jimmy. Bitawan niya. Sa malayo?
Sa kabilang bahay.
Nabitawan niya? You have to tie it on your arm.
Okay. Look at Jules.
Jules, itali mo sa arm ni Jules. Oh. Oo. Bibitawan niya yan, oh.
Just don't let it go, okay?
Oh. Kaya nga, itali mo sa arm niya. Oh, nakakahiwa yan. You have to tie it on your arm.
Kaya lang lang.
No, if she let go, goodbye na rin yan. Oh.
Yours. Pull it tight.
Punta ka lang doon sa center.
Oo ka?
Andun yan, dami-dami.
Meron malalaki niyan eh. Malaki ba? Yun ang mga ganyan malaki. Yan, bigat.
She will let that go, I'm telling you. No, wrap it around her arm.
Binili ni Eddie, ang lalaki kanya pangalawa yun. Ang hirap na. Sakit sa akin.
Mahirap hawakan yung malalaki, lalo mabigat.
Mahirap pa.
There's another one there anyway.
Oh, here's yours now. You got yours.
Oh.
Pull it tight. Pull it tight. John, pull it tight. Pull it tight. Pull it tight.
You pull.
Pull it tight.
Oh, go back there. Go back with Alex. Go back with Alex.
Pull it tight. Sister, hawakan lang kami.
Gee, hold it. Pag nabitawan niya, hindi mo na mahahabol. You already saw it. No, hold the string. Hold on to the string, Gee. I'm telling you that will be gone.
Just look.
Doon ka sa string. Biyaan mo siya dun sa... Where is it? Up. Pull. Don't let it touch the neighbor's roof. Pull. Which one is down?
Oh, both.